Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily sign a document with BambooHR. So what we have to do is actually have some kind of document to sign to start this tutorial, and then on top right corner we have all our notifications. So if you need to sign something, probably you will find it here. So we have a signatures, which is a second from the top. And there is I-9 2017 requested by Jennifer Caldwell. So I'm gonna click on finish signing, and this is all that we have to fill in all the text, city or town, and then click save and finish. New signature request. You can add you can add some kind of comments. Yeah, sometimes this particular word just slips out of my mind, and then finish signing. Obviously, it's really nice to fulfill all the documents, but basically all you have to do is click and write on signatures and then sign it yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.